In 1932, Australia faced an unexpected foe, emus. After World War I, veterans turned to farming in Western Australia, only to find their crops under siege by thousands of these flightless birds. The government, in a bid to support struggling farmers, deployed soldiers armed with machine guns to combat the avian menace. However, the emus proved remarkably elusive. They outmaneuvered troops and scattered in groups, leading to a series of embarrassing defeats for the military. Despite multiple attempts, the emus triumphed, and the operation was deemed a failure. Ultimately, farmers turned to fencing and other methods. The Great Emu War remains a unique chapter in history, showcasing nature's resilience against human intervention.